Good morning. Look at my sunflowers. Look at my sheep. Look at my poppies. Don't look at anything else because everything outside of the shot needs so much weeding. It's like I've been away for several days and haven't touched the garden in nearly a week, and I'm about to go to the beach tonight for 2 nights. So all of this, Simba, everything the light touches is fine. But everything over here needs work. So we'll see how we go. This is Advent Day 8. We'll open this up and I'll tell you about today. Oh my god, Day 8. It's a blue frog. I love the blue frog. He's very cool. This has got to be my favourite colour so far. And more excitingly, a Freddo frog is in there. Oh, if Roxy Fibers knew how much I needed chocolate today, this is coming with me. This is now my packed lunch. I need to pick up chocolate Santas for my class. It's the last day for students today. I've still got a few more days, but I need to pick up some chocolate Santas. This will be my morning tea, and I need to pick up some lunch as well because I'm too disorganised to have groceries to be able to make my lunch this morning. Yeah, no, honestly, should I be going to the beach? No. I have 1,001 other things that I should be doing, but this is a Christmas gift, and I'm quite excited about going to the beach, to be honest. I might go and check the strawberries to see if there's any ready, and then head off to work. And then, yeah, going to the beach. And at the beach, I'm hoping to complete the Hobie week 1 Advent before week 2 comes out. Has week 2 come out? No, week 2 hasn't come out. I need to print out week 1 today, which is the Tunisian crochet hat. And I've never done Tunisian crochet before, so this could be a disaster. We love a disaster, you know. We stand a disastrous queen. Go for it. Oh, and a blue one. There's a blue one. No.
I never really know what's going on. 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 I never really
Good morning. Today is December the 4th, and I'm just having some cereal. I normally have a cooked breakfast because I'm a princess, but I just have cereal and fruit and yogurt on school trips because who's got time? And if I don't start with food, I'm going to end up forgetting stuff because I'm a micromanager. And right now, yeah, normally on school trips, I don't do the driving, but this time I'm driving and I'm finding it quite mentally exhausting. Everything is exhausting in general, but these are younger kids than I normally travel with. Not too much, but enough that the things that don't bother big kids bother little kids. Yeah. Anyway, so today's plan is we're going to the beach. I think I've picked a beach that's going to suit everybody's needs. There's one that's got trees and golden sands and swimming and exploring and a few shops and a playground. And that should tick off all the boxes of what people want to do at a beach. And then this afternoon we will be going to the Court Theatre and we're doing a tour and a workshop. And then we're seeing another show. And I think we're just going to stay out at the Court Theatre because we hit rush hour traffic yesterday. Now, it's worth noting, we live in a town of, 1,000 people. When we complain about traffic, well, we complain about the fact that the speed limit has been lowered. It takes me a solid, 8 minutes to get to work? And that's the next town over. So, it's not, traffic's just not an issue. Sometimes you get cows on the road and you have to give way to them, or at the moment it's giving way to hay baling equipment because the roads are really only wide enough for 2 cars if you're going slow, and as soon as you've got something larger than a car, somebody's pulling over and waiting for the other one to pass. Yeah, so last night we got stuck in the traffic, and I wasn't expecting to, but I forgot that between 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock, everything is traffic in big cities, because by the time you get school drop-off, school pick-up, and the work people finishing. What was like a 19-minute drive was more like a 35-minute drive, and then yeah, so I cancelled people's plans and said, right, you can just swim in the afternoon, and then we're going back to the theatre. That allowed everybody to cool down because it was like 28 degrees. So hopefully today, beach morning should be quite cool, and then theatre in the afternoon, which should be quite cool. And then as long as we stay in town, we'll avoid the busyness of the traffic coming and going for no reason. Yeah, so that's the plan. And now I'm going to have my breakfast and catch up with Passionate Kelsey's day 3, I think, of Vlogmas. It's either day 3 or it must be her day 3 because she's American. And I'm posting mine earlier on the day of day 4. Yeah, I think, what is the actual time right now? My day 4 vlog goes up shortly. She says coughing. So I'm very glad that I pre-filmed because I have brought my computer to do some editing with me, but I've done no editing. I've brought my Yarn Advent to open, and I've done no opening. But I think I'm going to have to do some of that tomorrow before we leave, or I'll run out of time and footage. Yeah, so I'm going to finish my breakfast, and then we're going to the beach. And I've still kept my penguin for you, Annie, and I've still got socks to knit. So there's those things. So cold. All right, beach vlog number 1. We've got drama students digging a hole. We've got drama students jumping in water. Drama students vibing to music. Drama students building some sort of structure. And then you've got the ones who are thinking it's too cold to be on the beach. And then we've got teachers who are hardworking and not getting enough rest. And I've gone full scout with my sunscreen and hat arrangement. how do you explain to people that drama's not a cult? And then and then this happens? I have no idea. Ours is not to ask why. Ours is just to make sure no one drowns. Okay. I mean, who wouldn't want to be involved in Big Stick? Taven's not even going to be aware that this has happened.
He's not focused on digging his hole.
Why are we celebrating? We don't know. Alright, I had got really worried that I wasn't going to be able to become friends with my sheep again after 4 days without them, but they're right here. Yes, my beautiful sheepies, yes you are. Particularly finding them in amongst all the others, but at least I'll show you that. So here's my two. I don't know who that sheep is. I don't know who you are. It's all the others who are more suspicious. But yes, you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. That's good sheep. You don't want a pat, do you? Maybe you do, but I better go and find the dog because he'll be getting jealous. Hey, but that's good sheep. Such good sheep.